Do not run from police. That is not a good thing to do. A situation like that can end badly for you. See? Now let me present a short video to you that might give you a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Look, listen and observe for yourself. Now I don't know exactly where and when the video will be recorded. I don't even know if that video is of a real situation. But we present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Stay tuned.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall, skilla.
Wow, people, but there again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright, you see? Yeah, just some things I want to talk to you about in this video, alright? Alright, now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show quite a number of persons gathered together. And the video also shows at least one law enforcer viewing subscribers. Now in the video, the law enforcer said some things pertaining to traffic tickets. Some people might just say traffic ticket alone, alright? But anyways, I want you to listen carefully to the things that the law enforcer said in this video and tell me what they think about the things that the law enforcer said. You can also tell me what they think overall about the whole video itself. Here's the video, look, listen and observe for yourself.
You may go by again. Right? Are you alone may go by again?
Listen.
You ready now? Ready? Alright. All these tickets here, so we have for your printout. That's what you worry about, right?
Yeah.
That's what you worry about?
Yeah, man.
Something else. Something else.
Yeah, worry about that.
And this, and something else.
And that's why I'm there.
Tell me about something else now.
That's this why I'm there.
And that's this.
Why I'm there.
Alright, fine. If I this alone, the fact that you are in front of me right now, brother, it means that there is no warrant out there for you. Every single ticket that is on this printout is on this component. So in a one box, in a one drawer, in a one cabinet. Right? In order for you to have a warrant, the judge will sit down in this have to sign for the ticket in a box in this one and give it to the police, and that's how the police come for you. The fact that we are doing this right now, the fact that they're giving you an opportunity to pay your tickets, it means that no warrants are being signed. No warrants are being signed because they're giving people opportunity to pay them ticket before they warrant them go. Why do they not say, hey, come pay your ticket, and at the same time they must have a warrant? That makes sense? No. That makes sense? No. Alright, I'm saying it again. I'm going to worry about stamp. The police does not have a warrant for you, so he cannot arrest you, sir. If the police stop you on the road and say, huh? Man, I have 10 tickets outstanding, telling the police, can't make a court right now. And look where I'm doing. So can't make a court. No, officer, I'm not give you $10 and 10 cents back to one. If the police stop you, brother, tell the police, sir, you went down to the traffic court, you give them your printout,
I'll make that.
so carry them right now.
Alright.
Simple as that.
Alright, good. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough.
Well, my people, me have to wonder if me hear what the law enforcer said properly in a part of the video, viewers, subscribers.
Alright. All these tickets here, so we have for your printout. That's what you worry about, right?
Yeah.
That's what you worry about?
Alright, now my people, based on what me hear, if all of those papers that the law enforcer was holding have anything to do with only one person, then me I wonder what's up. You hear me? I say people, me just point out that, you know. See? Oh, and me I point out this as well. Tell me if you recognize the word that's on that door are those letters put together that you can see on the door. Tell me what you see right there. So see me I say. And I want to hope that you hear what the law enforcer emphasized about in the video as well too. See? So all of them things that I point out my people, I tell you the truth. John, I tell you. So let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now when it comes on to farming, viewers and subscribers, I love farming. I love planting vegetables and so forth, you see? But me is the kind of person, I don't trust chemicals. I don't use chemicals for my vegetables them when I plant them. No, and I would never advise anybody to do anything like that. I just mean that, you see? Now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen carefully to some things that a person said in this video. I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me what I think about this video. Observe.
So I bought this tractor yesterday in the market.
Yeah?
And I decided to clean it today, cut it up and put it in the freezer. So as you can see, you're seeing some blue stuff on the tractor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now to all people that does farming and stuff, you know what this is. This is snail bait. Right? Snail bait is very, very dangerous for human consumption. No matter how much you wash this, I don't think this is something that you could eat. Please, farmers, you all need to be very careful when you all plant stuff. Because yes, I understand you're all trying to get rid of the snails and stuff, but you cannot be putting this poisonous substance around the food that people have to eat. Now, if somebody careless now, and they're not really observant or know what this is, somebody could die. Somebody could get seriously sick. This is snail bait. And according to poison control, it have no antidote for that. So we need to be more careful with these kind of chemicals and stuff that we put in the food. Because it will not only just kill the animals, the insects, but it could also kill us. If some old person was dealing with this now, and they're not really observant of what they're doing, they cut up all of that, they put it in the pot to cook. That is another life there. Somebody will get blamed for poisoning them. Not knowing is the food that they bought that poisoned them.
You see the blue thing with people?
So you all need to be very careful, please. This is snail bait. I know what snail bait look like. It have the blue ones and it have the brown ones. You all need to be very careful about that. Thank you.
My people, I am no expert when it comes on to chemicals, you know. See? So if me hear somebody explain something about chemicals, I'm going to listen and I'm going to think as well. You see? And based on what me hear in that video, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to be even more careful than before. I do not trust chemicals. I don't trust chemicals at all, my people. Me no know. It's like me find it hard to believe in chemicals. You see me I say? May I tell my people. Anyways, let me know what you think about that video that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? On to another topic. Now, I got information that 3 young persons had been shot and killed within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. The whole situation is considered to be a triple murder, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that all those 3 persons are somewhat related, brothers and cousins. And at least 2 of them are said to be teenagers. I'm not sure about the 3rd person, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Now, I got more than one information about this whole situation. And those information are not exactly the same, viewers and subscribers, but my overall understanding is that those 3 persons was at a certain location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago when they had been shot and killed, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information as to how many persons was involved in the shooting. It is said that at some point police had been alerted about the situation and the police arrived at the location and a certain investigation had been launched in the whole situation. And I also got information that there our neighbors who don't even want to talk about the situation for your subscribers. And on a real to the wheel time I run, nowadays it's like I can't even to say nothing about that. Yes, I mean, my people, it's a person's choice to do what they want to do. I just saw life go about Jano. You see? People are living in fear and all them things. So I got information that a relative said that, and I'm going to say allegedly right here because these information in my point of view, they are not confirmed information. So allegedly, it is said that a relative said that one child escaped. It is said that someone said that we were liming lower down the road when we heard the gunshots and we ran up, and those persons was found with what is said to be gunshot wounds for subscribers. It is said that relatives of those youngsters who was shot and killed for subscribers remain baffled as to why anyone would want to kill those 3 young persons. That's what I say. Now when it comes on to the year 2023, I wonder if this is the first triple murder for the year 2023 within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. I wonder. Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.